In this module, we will learn the definition of Lean Kanban. In a broad sense, Lean Kanban is a set of values and principles that outline how to succeed with product development, while Kanban is a process tool used for putting these values and principles into practice. Lean Kanban combines these practices with process tools to create value from product concept to product delivery. Let's look at the different practices of the Lean Kanban. 1. Optimize the whole. Optimizing a part of the system will eventually optimize the whole system. Optimizing includes focusing on the entire value system, delivering a complete product, and implementing long-term thinking in the organization as a whole. 2. Eliminate waste. Described as muda in Toyota Production Systems, or TPS, waste is anything in the system that does not add value to the customer. Waste in software development can be classified into 3 broad categories: waste from building the wrong thing, waste from failure to learn, waste from thrashing, that is, practices that impede the process. 3. Build-in quality. Finding too many defects in the system regularly means there are defects in the process as a whole. To improve the quality of the product, the concept of better quality needs to be built into the system. To achieve this, work out the kinks with the first test development. Break dependencies. Design the system architecture in a way that it supports addition of features at a later stage. Ensure that the final verification of the system does not result in any mistakes or errors. 4. Learn constantly. TPS talks of the concept of Kaizen, that is, continuous improvement. It says that nothing is perfect, and there is always room for improvement. This not only makes planning ahead useful, but also makes learning essential. To enable the system and individuals to improve continuously, develop a system that has the capacity to respond rapidly to change when needed. Make the code change tolerant. Teams and organizations must be clear and concise on when and what changes are required and acceptable, because decisions, once made, have a financial bearing. Learn from mistakes. Today's best practices can be obsolete tomorrow. Therefore, preset standards need to be challenged and improved continuously. Make use of empirical techniques such as hypothesis testing to arrive at conclusions. Quantitative methods are more reliable than qualitative methods. And finally, engage everyone. Organizations gain their competitive advantage through the human resources available to them, because insight, creativity, and intellect are scarce resources. Therefore, organizations need to encourage autonomy among teams, encourage mastery of subjects by providing challenges, giving constructive feedback, and creating an environment that allows individuals to grow. Engage people and show them the purpose of each task and how it fits into the scheme of things. This encourages productivity. And with that, we've come to the end of this session. Thank you for learning with us.